Hi everyone, welcome to the Amoretti kitchen. Today we'll be making a wild strawberry rhubarb sun tea, and we'll be using our wild strawberry craft puree as well as our wild strawberry rhubarb craft puree. Let's get going. Go ahead and add the craft purees first. They will naturally blend. Yesterday we actually brewed this sun tea. In the sun for about 6 to 8 hours. We let it sit out, so you guys can do that the day before, the day of, totally up to you when you decide to do it. All right, now the agave. Get a spoon and mix this guy up. Like I said, the craft purees will naturally blend, the lemon juice too. You just want to give a little bit of stir to mix everything and get that agave going. Now that you're all mixed up and ready to go, we're just gonna get our beautiful glasses with our nice garnishes. Get him in here. Perfect drink for summer. I mean, who doesn't love iced tea in the summer? Look at that beautiful color. All right, now add some fun straws in there. Thank you for joining us. I hope this is a sun tea you can enjoy all summer long. Be sure to click the link below and stay updated on all of our promos, giveaways, and discounts. Cheers!
I liked it.
It's really good. I hate rhubarb nuts.